In the field of electric pickups, two formidable rivals stand out: the Hummer EV and the Tesla Cybertruck. These groundbreaking vehicles are making waves with their innovative features, powerful specifications, and extraordinary capabilities. Power. Starting with the Hummer EV lineup, the focus is on pure power and acceleration. The Hummer EV pickup boasts a whopping 1,000 horsepower and a whopping 11,500 pound-feet of torque under the hood, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. Its SUV counterpart is no slouch either, with the 3-motor version of the Cybertruck making up to 830 horsepower and the same 11,500 pound-feet of torque, sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a whopping 2.9 seconds, demonstrating Tesla's commitment to electric speed. In terms of range and charging, both rivals have impressive offerings. The Hummer EV provides an estimated electric range of up to 581 miles for the EV3X pickup and up to 314 miles for the EV SUV. Its dual-level charging cord set supports both level 1 and level 2 charging, making it versatile for charging at home and on the go. The Tesla Cybertruck, particularly the tri-motor version, boasts an estimated range of over 500 miles and is compatible with Tesla's supercharger network for fast charging. When it comes to cargo capacity, the Hummer EV and Tesla Cybertruck are no different. Both can carry up to 3,500 pounds on their cargo platforms. This feature demonstrates their utilitarian design and readiness for difficult tasks. Price. Hummer was, and still is, a very elite car even in the electric version. The entry-level version of the Hummer EV pickup costs $86,645, while the Cybertruck starts at a price more than 2 times cheaper, $39,900. And although on our channel we already analyzed why this price can be much higher after the start of sales, the Hummer is still many times more expensive than the Tesla. Unique features. Both cars also flaunt unique features that set them apart. The Hummer EV offers an exciting watts to freedom mode for exhilarating acceleration, extract mode for lifting the vehicle to overcome obstacles, crab walk for diagonal driving, an ultra vision camera system for improved maneuverability, and a variety of shutdowns traffic modes on the road. On Tesla's part, the sharp exterior design of the Cybertruck sets it apart from conventional pickups. Its towing capacity reaches an impressive 14,000 pounds in the tri-motor version, demonstrating its usefulness in challenging tasks. Adjustable air suspension provides up to 16 inches of ground clearance, adapting to different terrains. Tesla's signature autopilot and fully autonomous driving features further underscore the brand's commitment to autonomous driving technology. In the rapidly evolving world of electric vehicles, the Hummer EV and Tesla Cybertruck are emerging as titans of innovation, each with their own strengths and standout features. As competition in the electric pickup segment intensifies, these vehicles serve as a testament to the potential of electric power to reshape the automotive industry.